Memorize these 5 words and apply them for the rest of your lives, brothers and sisters. Memorize these 5 words from the seerah, from the sunnah, from the Quran. La tahzan, inna Allah ma'ana. Don't worry, Allah is with us. Don't worry, Allah is with us. Why are you scared? What are you worried about? We have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Next time a calamity strikes, next time we feel our debts, our financial losses piling up, next time an issue happens with a relationship, with a friendship, next time the politics of the office gets to you, next time any type of calamity seems to overwhelm you, tell your own soul, La tahzan, inna Allah ma'ana. Don't worry, Allah is with us. Tell your spouse, La tahzan, inna Allah ma'ana. Tell your friend, tell your colleague, tell your brother, tell the ummah, La tahzan, inna Allah ma'ana. What are you worried about when you have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala